Welcome to the official IBU World Cup press conference after men's sprint here in Hochfilzen. With us, the winner, Johannes Dale of Norway. Johannes, a fantastic day for you. Can you just take us through your 23 and a half minutes? It was phenomenal.
Yeah, it was amazing. I felt very good on skis today, and I just had a lot of power, so I just could push all the way, and didn't feel like I ran out of power. So when I got a perfect 10 out of 10, I had a lot of power also on the last lap. So it was just for me to give all I had and ski like hell. So it was a very good feeling the whole race today, actually.
And to what degree did Sturla's win in Kontiolahti give you not hope, but even more ambition to go after your first win?
No, of course, it was a big inspiration for me because, you know, me and Sturla have been on the same team and at the same age, and we have been training together for a long, long time. And when he got the first win, I knew that also it was possible for me, you know. And when he won, I want to also get my first win and podium fast. So it was very fun, and now we have one each. So that's perfect, I think.
And you are the fourth Norwegian that wins this season. Can you tell us how difficult it is to even make Norwegian team in World Cup?
Yeah, it's crazy. I think when you see in our team, we have, as you said, 4 different winners in just 3 weekends, and when you see on the whole team, we have everybody in almost top 10. So it's crazy level. So it's pretty hard just to be on the Norwegian team, and to be able to be here, you have to deliver top positions all the time. So that is also something I think that pushes us forward. So but it's hard. It is.
And how do you prepare for the pursuit? It will be first time you are in this position that you are chased by others. Johannes on fourth, very fast French team behind you. Yeah. How do you approach this new situation?
Actually, I wasn't thinking about it so much, but now I was thinking, oh, okay, shit, it's tomorrow. It's a new race, so I think I have to adjust my mind a little bit. But now I will just enjoy this victory, and when I come to the hotel, I will try to adapt to a new race tomorrow and make a strategy, because I think it's of course it's a new situation, and I have to be able to handle it well. So I think I have to make a good plan, so my head is in the right place for sure.
Thank you and congratulations.
Thank you.
All
so
the
much.
best. With us on second place, Quentin Fillon-Maillet of France. Quentin, an excellent performance. Actually, your second 10 out of 10 this season. How did you see your race?
I'm a little bit stressed last 2 weeks, and then I must to find a good way for on the new stadium and new track, new atmosphere. Then I do quite good training yesterday. Then I feel good. I don't stress too much, and just do my job. I think about technique and what must I do for make a great race, and that's what I do today. And yes, I'm very happy with quite good feeling on the ski and perfect shooting today.
And how do you compare snow conditions in Kontiolahti to here?
That's a little bit different, because in Kontiolahti there is all snow, and also here, but there is a little bit some new snow, and there is a different feeling on the ski, because it's a little bit colder here, and maybe more altitude. It's a little bit different, but I prefer this condition, because it's more hard and more easy to ski, and yes, I like the track also.
And how did your team select the numbers? We saw Sweden going at the beginning, Norway at the end. French team decided to go in the middle of today's race.
We tried the start with the condition yesterday. We think it's a little bit faster in the middle of the race. Then we decide to take the group number 2. But after, we are a little bit surprised, because Novajam take the last. And yes, it's not a bad decision, because if there is a little bit just a different condition, you can go very fast on the end of the race. But for today, it's yes, it's very similar for all the bibs, and that's a good condition for the sprint because it's equitable for everyone.
And we know you as a, let's say, emotional athlete who likes good atmosphere. Can you tell us from personal experience, how do you cope with these very unusual measures related to this season?
Last season, each race, the French team, someone on the podium, or maybe 3 people or 2, and each race we have very good results. And this season, the first 2 weeks, we have not perfect result without Fabien. He start good, and yes, we must to find the solution for be better, and for sure for everyone what is the potential for the French team. Then today it's the level to the French team, and I'm very happy to share the podium with Fabien, and also the flower with Emilien. But it's a good day for the French team.
Thank you and congratulations.
Thank you.
And with that, also on the 3rd place, Fabien Claude, also France. Fabien, it's a 2nd podium of the season. Can you talk us through today's performance? And also, how do you feel about your new very high level of consistency this season?
I'm really happy about this 2nd podium in a row. And today I felt really good on my ski during the 1st and the 2nd lap. And I tried to shoot clean, and maybe a little bit too much fast in the standing shooting, and I miss one more time the last bullet. So I promise you that the next sprint I will put this last bullet.
And how much risk do you take in the shooting? So when do you decide how much risk will you take in the shooting?
I didn't decide that before the shooting, and after in the shooting, if my feelings are good, the same in the track when I want to push hard. I just have to think simple things, and finally the results is really good. So I know that in ski my level is really good to reach a podium or top 6 in each race, but I have to put all the bullets inside the target to dream of podium.
And you were one of the few people who said you are not worried about the skiing performance of your team in Kontiolahti. So why did you feel this will start improving very fast? You were very fast team today.
Maybe we had a different preparation compared to the other year. We didn't go in Scandinavia before a season, so we have to train in France in altitude, and maybe for the first weekend it has been really close, and now I'm really happy to see that everybody is in good shape, and it will increase the next day.
Tomorrow is the pursuit. You took on Johannes in Kontiolahti and was faster than him in the last loop. How much confidence does this give you going into tomorrow's race?
I was really proud what I did in Kontiolahti in the last loop, but every race is different, and I know that Johannes is stronger than me, and tomorrow it will be not a fight with Johannes, but with me. It will be a fight against me, and we'll see in the last loop with who I will fight.
Thank you and congratulations.
Thank you.
All the best.